Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a Loveworld special, Monarch of the Universe. I'm going to be playing it in a key of C sharp. Alright, so if you don't understand the key of C sharp, go into my channel, my playlist. I have a beginner course of 53 videos. There are 3 videos dedicated for the key of C sharp or D flat, as it were, for you to be able to learn and understand. So this is a chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1. Alright, so this is there, the fingering is there, and everything you need to learn. And I'd like to also thank everyone who has been sending me messages. For those who just subscribed, stay with me 6 months on my beginner course, and then you start to understand a lot of things about the piano. So without wasting much time, let's get into the song. All right, so I'll try to play an intro, teach you how I played it, and then we can continue with the verse and then everything of the song. All right. My own intro, so let me try and play it for you, explaining to you everything as I do it. So hallelujah, this is a chord 1, so I play like this, a chord 1, chord 2, 3, like this. Then you do a flat 5 before a 5, like this. But when you add it, this chord to it, it spells out the song. So my soul magnifies your name. Then you do a suspension. Alright. So again. So let me slow it down. Again. Actually, it's the intro, but at the same time is the song. All right, because after this we move to the next verse and then the last one. So you do a 3/6. Most High God, Most High God, I will live my life serving you. Most High God. That's 6, 3, 6. Then you go to a 2/5. Creator of heavens. Again, 3/6. Then 2/5 again. It's splendor and the ocean greatness. Then you do a 5 over 4. A 5 over 4. Most of the time you use a 21 to start a song. So let me start again from the intro. So I bless your name. Chord 4. Then you move to 1. Oh God. Then you do a 5. Monarch to a 6. The universe. Then you do 6, 5, 4. You are clothed with splendor. 3/6. Then you do especially hallelujah. You can do a 2, 5, 1, but I don't like that one. Hallelujah. I'd rather play the 5. Hallelujah. Alright, so bless your name. We did I bless your name. I did it's something that I've been teaching for a very long time now. You play a 5 over a flat 7. This a note 1. This a note 7, and this one is a flat 7. So you play a major chord over the 5. You suspend it like this before you either move to a 4 or you play a 1, 3, 4, or from just the 1 to 4. Most of the time you play it when you want to move to a 4. Right, so Lord, you're great, my soul magnifies your name. I will lift my life serving you, Most High God, Creator of heavens, glory and splendor in the ocean greatness. I will bless your name. You get it? Oh God. this part. I bless your name. You can do a twist. Alright, don't worry about it. With splendor and majesty, hallelujah. Then the last part, hallelujah. Chord 4, back to 1. To a 5. Then here you can do the twist that I was talking about. So hallelujah, hallelujah. From 5, you do a 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. Then you do the last part. So I'm going to play it in context again. Alright, thank you for being a part of this tutorial. If you don't understand or it is too fast for you, you can, YouTube has a feature where you can slow things down and then, learn it progressively. And I believe you should be able to play it afterwards. I want you to leave a comment and also share this video to others. Share the, channel's link to other people. I want to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. We are 30, and I believe it's possible and much more with your help. So thank you for being a part of this tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial. We're going to be learning about 5 songs, a medley. Just be expecting it. It's going to be a very lengthy one. Either I chop it into beats or I put them together. Anyhow, we're going to be doing it. See you. Bye bye.